In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to embed video on ClickFunnels. So start by logging in to your ClickFunnels dashboard. Then in the left panel, click on Funnels. Now click on or open up the funnel page where you want the video to appear. Now here, click on the pencil icon at the top menu to open up the editor page. Now once inside at the top, click on Customize drop-down menu and click on Body. So here, look for background video and make sure that you toggle it on. And here in the text box, all you have to do is paste your video URL from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo or another hosting service into this section. Once done pasting the URL, you'll see these options or settings that you can customize like end action, background style, for controls and appearance. And once done, click on the save button at the top right. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!